Hi friends! I know all of you are looking for unique and affordable gifts for upcoming Thanksgiving and Christmas and New Year and also some other events in your life. And we're always thinking what we can get to our loved ones that it will be super unique, very affordable, and people can really enjoy it. So I have an amazing offer for you. Look at this 21-day skin transformation kit. This kit contains all skincare line and all products that your skin will need in next 21 days. I know when you will open this kit, you will feel like, oh, it's a lot of products, how do I use them, what do I do with them? This kit built in very unique way. First of all, when you open it, on top you have this QR code, you just scan it and you have all instructions and actually videos with me explaining every step and every product. It divided in 3 main groups. The first group of products, it's your products for everyday use. You have absolutely everything: cleanser, toner, sunscreen, moisturizer. Second group of product, it's unique facial. It calls deep pore cleansing facial. And then a third group of product, it's your mini facial that you're using one time every 7 days. And this mini facial will deliver you spa quality results, and it only takes 15 minutes. Also, I forgot to mention that I'm holding acne stop kit, but we also have anti-aging kit. So you just need to know what are you targeting, what's your main concern. And now you have an amazing, new, beautiful idea for the holiday gifts. Try it once and love it forever.